Hey y'all, welcome back to Island Vibe Cooking. Today we're making a red velvet cookie with a nice cream cheese filling inside. So if you want to see it, be sure to keep on watching. Also thumbs up the video for me. Without further ado, let's make them. Okay, let's get started. I am starting by adding my brown sugar, white sugar, and also I'll be adding a little bit of pure vanilla extract with melted butter. Make sure your butter is cold and not hot. Let it cool down a little bit. Then we're going to mix that all up together, and to give it that red color, we're going to add some food coloring in there and mix it together until everything is well combined, just like so. Now it's time for me to add my dry ingredients, which are my flour, baking powder, and salt. Mix it all up together again until everything is well combined. Now I forgot to add my cocoa powder. We're just gonna go add that after. Just move on with our business. After you add it, make sure you mix it all up together, and of course you should add it when you're adding your flour. I forgot, but let's act like this didn't happen. When you have everything well combined, just like so, we're going to cover it and put it in the fridge for 30 minutes. While it's in the fridge, I am going to butter up my cookie tray. You can use a parchment paper on the cookie tray. Didn't have any. I'm not a baker, so we're just gonna work with what we got. Okay, so I'm using a tablespoon to measure it, and of course, like I said, I'm not a baker. I just started making cookies and sweet dessert recipes, so bear with me until I have all my tools ready. So we're just going to line them up on this cookie tray and then roll them with our palm and just place them down just like so until you have everything lined up together. Make sure you give them some space so they don't, get stuck together. Once they're done baking, we're going to bake them on 350 for exactly 10 minutes. Now to make my cream cheese filling, I am going to use cream cheese, of course, with powdered sugar, with a little bit of pure vanilla extract, a little bit of evaporated milk with melted butter. We're going to mix that all up together. Because my cream cheese wasn't fully room temperature, I ended up using a hand mixer. But if your cream cheese is room temperature, you can just use your hands. I try to do things where people who's not a baker or anything can do it as well without buying a whole set of tool to make it. So this is my cookies. Once they're done baking, I am going to put them on a cookie tray and let them sit until they're nice and cool. You see how nice it looks already with a nice red rich color. So we're going to let them cool down before we add the filling. I am using a Ziploc bag to add my filling in and cut the little tip and just move on. Now, like I said, I'm not a baker. I don't have my tools yet, but we can still make this recipe for those people who do not have tools, So this is how I am doing them. Basically, you guys get the point. Pretty self-explanatory. Once you're done, put them in the fridge so they can the filling can be nice and cool. And then there it is. You have yourself a nice red velvet cookie with a nice cream cheese filling inside. And let me tell you, the cream cheese inside is so good, you guys. So give it a try. You can use it on cinnamon rolls, you can use it on cake. It's so good. So this is it. Thank you for watching, guys. Happy Valentine's Day. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, thumbs up, like, comment, share, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye.